Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making chapatis or pulkas or rotis or Indian flatbread, however you like to call it. And for that, I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt. I am sifting the flour and salt into a large bowl. Making chapatis is a task in itself, and making a soft one is nearly impossible. But by following today's instructions and procedures, you can make the impossible happen. To the sifted flour, I am adding water a little by little. For 1 cup of flour, I am adding half cup of water. Always add water little by little until the flour sticks to form a small ball. The dough should not be too hard or too stiff or too damp, else you won't get good chapatis out of it. A hard dough makes hard chapatis, and damp dough is nearly impossible to handle and maneuver with. Kneading the dough is important step to get soft chapatis. Knead the dough as long as you can and as hard as you can. After kneading the dough for 2 minutes, I am adding 1 spoon of clarified butter or ghee to the dough. Adding ghee makes delicious chapatis and nutritious ones. After kneading the dough, cover the dough and let it rest for half an hour. After half an hour, knead the dough again. Traditionally, we use this base and a rolling pin to make flatbreads or chapatis. Today, I am adding parchment paper to it. Adding parchment paper ensures that you can be free from worrying about the dough sticking onto the base. I am dividing the dough into small spherical oval balls. Smoothen the balls like so. Keep them aside and start with one. For the first one, I am showing you how to make the chapati without adding any extra flour. Start from the center, roll the pin towards the edges of the chapati. If you feel the chapati is sticking, then lift it and flip it and roll it again. Roll the pin again on the chapati. As far as the shape goes, if you make edible and delicious chapatis, shape can be ignored. After pressing the chapati, lift it from the parchment paper carefully. First one is done. And for the second one, even easy procedure. Dunk the spherical balls of dough into flour. You can handle the dough very easily when you dunk it into the flour. The chances of it sticking to the parchment paper or to the rolling pin are very less when you dust some flour onto them. If you feel the dough is sticking, then always dust more flour onto the paper and keep rolling. If you don't like lot of loose flour on your chapatis, after pressing the chapati properly, just dust the chapati in your hands by flipping it from one hand to other hand. The second chapati is also done. I'm flipping it on my hands to dust the flour off. Third one is also done. Here goes the fourth. And now the last one. Done. Fold your parchment paper and keep it aside for future use. Now I am taking a tawa and on a high flame I am heating the tawa. After the tawa is hot enough, bake the chapati on the tawa. When you start seeing white bubbles on the chapati, flip it to the other side and cook on the other side. Always cook chapatis on high flame. If you keep cooking the chapatis on low flame for a longer period of time, the chapatis will be very stiff and not soft at all. Keep the flame high. Flip the chapati when you see white bubbles and cook it on both sides properly, and there you go. You have your soft and delicious chapatis ready. The chapati can be easily rolled and easily torn with the help of only 3 fingers. That ensures that the chapati is very soft. Hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.